Now today on the show, we have Mecca, aka Grimo, who is an artist, an actor, and an activist, if I may add. Thank you, Mecca, for being on the show.
Peace
Hello.
and love, peace and love. How you doing?
Nice to finally meet you.
Yeah, definitely, it's a pleasure.
Now I'm seeing that you're all over the Haitian community. What has pushed you to pursue music?
Music's always been a love of mine, so ever since I was a toddler, a shorty, growing up in New York, like music's been in my blood. So it's not just recently that about 5 years ago that I started tapping into my culture and my background. So I used, what I already learned and experienced that I've been trying to grind and hustle and trying to get on the scene. Everybody's trying to make, their own little spot, make their own little name in the industry. And I didn't know that by, really representing my culture, by tapping into my culture and really finding out our true history, that it came through the music, and I was able to actually carve a niche and, do for myself, along with the whole hip-hop Creole movement.
And that's very true. And you speak of when you used to live up north now. You were born in Brooklyn, am I correct?
Yeah, I was born in Brooklyn.
Now, I looked at in your bio. Now, when you were in school, because you are Haitian,
Right.
A lot of us Haitians are stereotyped. Did you ever go through that in school?
Yeah, definitely. Going through school, it was like, I remember reading something in the source. They just wrote about Haitians in hip-hop. Just read about this in the source, that Kango Kid, when he was young, if like other MCs knew that you were Haitian, that's like one more thing that they could use against you in a battle to kind of ridicule you, because back then being Haitian was a stereotype that was like, looked down on upon. So you were Haitian, oh my God, Haitian body odor, you eat cats. There was a lot of stereotypes with, and efforts of a people and how they were portrayed into like the offspring and how they want to like caress the culture right now. There's definitely a gap right there. So yeah, we went through that, man. I went to school running through certain neighborhoods because, you was gonna get beat down. They already knew that you was Haitian.
Même si petit ben yo ante attaché. J'aime tout m'a fini pour yo l'autre page. Ça sous sabotage, mais oui c'est du gaspillage, c'est mon témoignage. Ma protégé game notre pour ne pas te fromage. Et pour toutes les cas pensent que c'est seul pour chanter. Bon père yo connaît ton vétéran. Passé dans la guerre 14, amour nos services c'est M14.
Because rap is now more international, but because of the black community has, embraced it.
Right.
Now, do you think because black music is now more international, hip hop is now more world-renowned, do you think that has helped in your efforts of trying to pursue this?
Yeah, definitely. Hip hop is world music now. Hip hop has entered every color of people's living room and made it okay. Everything has hip hop commercials now. They brand you with hip hop. Hip hop is world music, international language. So it's definitely made it easier to globalize what it is that we're doing. Now what we're trying to do is trying to brand the fact that there is a rap Creole movement that exists, acknowledge it. We just coming through anyway. You're gonna have to acknowledge it because it's real, it's true. And we got a story to tell too, which is so true. Our history is just so rich. Like our history, if it wasn't for our history, a lot of other history wouldn't be the same right now. Michael Jackson used rap, but there were statements back in the day that say hip hop wouldn't last, it was just a fad. And hip hop has become global music. And now with rap Creole, it's just basically gonna just melt in with reggaeton, with African rap, with French rap, Spanish rap, and it's all gonna be love.
And I'm guessing Focus Magazine noticed that. You were actually featured as one of the top 100 influential men in Florida. How does that feel?
It definitely feels achieving. It definitely feels, it gives my soul an illustrious feeling, to be recognized for that. But it's not something that I tried to obtain. I just try to do the work. I try to get the job done, through the music, try to do what's right, just make good music, connect with people that I know support me, On Point Entertainment, Sakpase, Records, Refugee Camp, Hex Battalion. We got clothing line, we got, there's movies that we do. It's a lot popping off. So you surround yourself with good peoples, you flourish,
Yeah, we're seeing that there's many aspects of you.
Yeah, this is the Negma One collection right here. Negma One in front of the palais. You know what I mean? This right here is the kidnapping. About 2 years ago, I had the opportunity to go to Haiti, to Old Cop, and we filmed this movie, Kidnapping.
I wanted to actually ask you about that because I know a lot of Haitians can't even believe you went to Haiti to you know, do this movie because of the environment and not knowing if someone, even if your staff you went to Haiti would even get kidnapped. I mean, how was it when you went there?
Nah, it felt natural. You know, a lot of it was hype to begin with. You know, because we had equipment, we were worried about you know, the conditions that the equipment were gonna be in. You know, but once we got over there, it's not like we detached from Haiti. There's a situation going on over there, but we're not detached from communication and who we know over there. I got family over there. My staff, which is mostly Haitian, all Haitian, have peoples back over there. So when we go back over there, it's still home. You know, a lot of the stuff that you hear is stereotype to try to, derail tourism or visitors to the island. I'm not saying these things don't happen, but they happen in Colombia as well. They happen in South America, you know. But Haiti is, you know, in the spotlight right now because of other conditions we have. So we went back there, we was home, we chilled with our fams, and it was all love. We just was worried about the condition of travels, you know, when we had the equipment, like if it rained, would it get wet and what so forth. But we were welcome. The kids loved that I was there. They thought I was filming a video, by the way, because they already seen the and the kage. Kage. So as soon as I got to the airport, they was like, "Me atislam, kage, kage." I was like, "All right, that's love right there, you know."
Qu'est-ce ça?
Je vais demander nous tout d'une question. Est-ce que nous remet l'autre? Qui est-ce qui peut prendre l'argent? Vous-même? Vous-même?
Je réponds non.
Allez, mes figures. Nous sommes un actionnaire. Si vous allez ou pas tourner. Est-ce que vous parlez anglais?
Ah, monsieur Jacques, fais attention, le cachet sous mes dalles là.
Boss là. Est-ce que vous parlez anglais?
Il répond yeah!
One bad move. One bad move. And she's dead.
Yo, peace. This is Mecca, aka Grimo. Yo, when I'm in Tampa, I'm watching iVision. Lock it in.
Oh, iVision, how you doing? You call my telephone number. What you say? Non. Actuellement, je suis allé voir télévision. Ouais, m'a regardé iVision parce que c'est celle chose qui fait qu'il est content. Même pas qu'à regarder. Si c'est chose qui est bonne en ville, c'est lui pour me garder.
Once again, we'd like to thank you guys for joining in on the show. If you have any comments or you want to be on the show or you simply have anything you'd like to voice, give us a call or check us out on the website. Don't forget to check us out on Sunday on Channel 20 from 3 to 4 and on Friday from 2 to 3. Until next time, keep a glance on the Caribbean because it is ours. Thank you and have a good night.